Good day to all employer and Hong Kong. I am Ruela de Vera from Barangay Banawang, Marasiqui, Philippines. I am 38 years old. I'm married. I have two children, ages 15 years old and 6 years old. My height is 156 centimeters, while my weight is 60 kilograms. I studied college and I graduated of 2 years computer secretariat. I work in Singapore for 1 year and 7 months, and there are 6 members of the family. They have 2 children and 4 adults with my co-workers Filipino. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, car washing, marketing, and taking care of the kids. And also, I sing a song, Baba Black Sheep, our every wool. Yes sir, Chibab's wool. One for a master, one for a Jean, one for a little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, Chibag's full. I hope you like my song. And sometimes I teach them to take a bath and brush their teeth. And also I am hardworking and capable to learn the task. To my future employer, if you hired me, I will do my best to finish my contract and do all my duties. I will hope you choose me and treat as your family. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. God bless.